all bedrooms, 65% off all living rooms, 65% off all dining rooms, and 65 months zero interest financing on all mattress sets. Marlowe Furniture's 65th anniversary sale. This only happens once. Don't miss out.
Now, ABC 7 News at 11 on your side.
Do we have this epidemic here in D.C.? That's the question we're trying to answer.
New tonight at 11, we're tracking a growing coronavirus outbreak in the U.S. amid word people at a major D.C. conference visited by the vice president may have been exposed.
And the big picture right now shows that there are 159 confirmed cases all across our country. 11 people so far have died. The latest, a recent passenger on a cruise ship in the Pacific, and that quarantined. 62 people on board who encountered that victim are now confined to their rooms. And tonight we got word that a group that attended the APAC conference earlier this week may have been exposed to the coronavirus before they even got to D.C.
That conference drew 15,000 people to the convention center, including the vice president and hundreds of members of Congress. Heather Graff is tracking this. And Heather, just 2 days ago, you reported on steps being taken to protect people there. What are you hearing now?
Well, Michelle, we've learned D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser also spoke at the APAC conference here at the convention center. And late tonight, we heard back from her office, a spokesperson telling us they are monitoring this situation closely. This week at the Walter E. Washington Convention Center.
Well, hello, APAC.
Vice President Mike Pence was one of many dignitaries who took part in a conference held by the American-Israel Public Affairs Committee, also known as APAC.
The president has directed me to lead a whole-of-government approach to address the coronavirus in this country, and we are doing just that.
The vice president even speaking about the coronavirus as he addressed the crowd. And on Monday, convention center staff told ABC 7 the outbreak had prompted extra precautions as the APAC event brought in more than 15,000 people from all over the world.
We're doing our due diligence in terms of making sure the building is not only safe but sanitized. We went from 40 hand sanitizers to 85.
But then Wednesday came this update from APAC, saying a group of policy conference attendees from New York was potentially in contact prior to the conference with an individual who contracted coronavirus. The organization says the D.C. Health Department told them, quote, there is no reason to sound the alarm. And it's worth noting that earlier this week, conference participants praised the convention center's efforts when it comes to cleanliness.
I've never seen a conference that was this organized from the standpoint of protecting people there from germs and getting sick.
Steps that may soon prove even more important, with the group from New York now self-quarantined amid lingering questions about whether their visit to D.C. could have exposed anyone else to COVID-19. And a spokesperson for the mayor's office also confirms that D.C. Health considers this a low-risk exposure. Meanwhile, we can tell you APAC says no one who actually attended the conference has tested positive for the coronavirus at this time. Of course, we'll pass along any updates as we get them. For now, we're live in Northwest Washington. Heather Graff, ABC 7 News.
Heather, thanks for that. And Arlington County officials took coronavirus questions live in a Facebook chat tonight. Many were wondering, with so many apartment buildings in the county, would a high-rise be quarantined if somebody had coronavirus? Now, the county's public health director says if the apartments meet code, then their air systems would be separate for each unit, limiting the spread.
If they're separate air handling and there's no exposure, then we're going to say you're comfortably safe in those areas.
Yeah, with so many shared surfaces, though, in apartment buildings, they do say it is still critical for you to wash your hands and keep yourself healthy. There's also efforts underway to make sure that college students and their families know what's being done to protect them. Towson University hosted a town hall tonight answering students' questions. The school says it's also increased cleaning efforts and is urging students to practice good hygiene.
Businesses are taking new steps to protect employees and customers from the virus. Tonight, Starbucks revealed it will no longer allow customers to use personal cups. The coffee chain's move comes as Seattle sees its number of confirmed cases swell to 39 people with 10 deaths. Genevieve Rayam from our sister station in Seattle gives us a glimpse of life inside a hot zone.